Hi, good day. This is Alex for Internet Web Secret. So, in today's review, so this is about store builder. Right? It's a store builder. It can build a store for a physical or digital product. Right? If you want to sell digital or physical product, you can use this subject builders to actually build your store easily, right? So there's one-time cost only $17. So you just need to get this cloud app and you can start sell your physical digital products software, and you can even have traffic from 99 sources have been built in as part of the platform also. You can earn from home. There's no technical skill, upfront cost or experience. So two-time the profit, you can set an account for vendors, charge as a sign-up fee or commission on every sales, right? So it means so you can charge commission for the sales, right? So you can provide as a vendor to provide this platform sales platform to the others business, so you can collect commission, right? So it's a can quit your job, travel. This is if you have can make money from home using this shop builder, right? Okay, so it's so beginners, right? So there's no hosting or mainly it's a free auto explorer include. There's a lot of features that come together in this ShopZBuilder, right? So in this it said there's a one click software build your automated store and drive free buyer traffic into it in 30 seconds, right? So most likely is creator of these products are going to be launched today 11 a.m. EXT, right? So this is in fact is a first multi-vendor store created. This is a light on your pocket heavy on feature. It can even mean to say it can easily use these builders on your phone, and it's a lot of features here, right? So you can say there's a lot. The online retail industry has seen a massive grow due to the pandemic. Get ready to cash in, and you can push one button launch on multi-vendor store that sell physical and digital product in just 30 seconds. So in typical way, you may want to have to pay really high cost to set up the store to sell physical digital product, but this can be done easily. So here is a few benefits I listed now. You can sell physical digital products software and from home, two-time profit and proven, right? So there's a review video I put together here, demo videos about how to use this software, right? So this subject builder, they have a front end 17 node. There's OTO 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All these have a more advanced feature, right? Again, with this launch of this store builder, I have actually bundled 300 plus bonus pack, right? This is close to 10,000. All this the value of the bonus here. So the first two bonus, if you buy the front end or any of the OT, you're going to get my on product. This is my e-commerce mastery training pack with PLR, right? So this is a product I have launched last year, right, and have actually got a lot of demand for this product, right? So this basically is a complete training courses, right, and teach you how to actually start up your e-com business, how to drive up your e-com business, and how to tap into the different e-com platform, drive traffic to your e-com store, right? Things like that, and definitely this is going to complements the sub-builder, right? So this is a training. So you're going to get this training, and you're going to learn more about how to run your e-com store and how to start out your e-com and how to make sales, more sales, drive more traffic to your e-com store. Everything you can learn from here. So you're going to get this free, right? The second thing is I'm going to also give you another e-com site builder. You can use it together with this shop builder also, right? This Smarty builder is one of my product I have launched it together before, right? Right. Okay. So so this is in fact to my own product I will give to you if you buy the front end and any other OTO, right? Okay, definitely it's going to help you to expedite your success with this shop builder, right? So you can use it together with the shop builder. Next thing is you just want to buy the front end. There's have a award winning training how to make 10,000 online selling on product to promote affiliate product. So this is affiliate income secret, right? The second one is a super affiliate software funnel with the seller, like the three best affiliate software you can sell it as part of your funnel, right? And next thing is a video business in the box. It's a YouTube video to WordPress plugin. It can actually pull the YouTube videos to become your blog content, right? Things like that. And Willow Hub is a video subscription membership platform. Start your own video subscription platform and charge customer money for providing a collection of video training on any specific topic. Again, I'm giving you a video creation software and video library giveaway. This is 250 video. You can use it for content for your blog, your site, your giveaway for engagement. Yeah, and email search is some of the email trick. You can use it to decrease your emails open rate, CTR rate, and YouTube hack 2021 and YouTube channel SEO. You can apply the trick to actually to rank your YouTube video and YouTube channel. Also, we have this list building training. We have the free solo app and high ticket system. Also, you're going to get this from me, right? And 300 email motivation for your social posting content, 50 SEO tool on the cloud app, product launch attack. Right? You're going to get also audio visa this cloud app to create your own audio track equipment seller like 250k funnel kit. This is a drag and drop funnel builder and both engage, right? Again, OutReachr wallet traffic cloud app and Smarty shop is another store builder, right? Okay, 15 free traffic method you don't know, and also free training how to make money without you selling anything, right? Okay, but again, so there's a journal TikTok traffic app you're going to get, and a journal Instagram traffic app, and 100 giveaways. You can build your list using this giveaway, right? Okay, right. So this is a useful plugin in a bundle. This is again my exclusive bonus bundle consists of over 100 HQ software app. Right? So this is I can preview here. So there's a lot of value inside the bonus that I'm giving to you as part of this ShopZBuilder also, right? So you can see here what you're going to get inside. There's a lot of ebook. There's a lot of plugin, WP plugin, and we have the survey creator, a lot of different software tools. You can use it to get more follower, more traffic, and more sales, right? So this is what you're going to get on as part of the bonuses also, right? Again, I had this some vendor bonuses. They come together, right, as part of this launch itself. So this is ShopBuilder's sales page, right? So again, so you can have a look into this is sales page here. So this is can take a time to go through every single detail inside. There's some bonuses from the vendor also, and this is what you're going to get inside here, the bonuses. Let me see. Okay, so there's no bonus given, but never mind. So I have actually included a lot of bonuses as part of this. If you just purchase a front end, you're going to get a lot of bonuses from me, right? So again, so there's more exclusive bonus here, and 600,000 YouTube view case study how to find and close a high-paying client. While the traffic secret exposure dominate YouTube without showing your face. 16,000 lead case study, personal branding blueprint, and also buyer trigger, right? Okay, right. So this is basically the bonus bundle I'm going to give to you. If you purchase a front end in just $17, you're going to get a lot of value from my bonuses, right? So just have a look into inside this shop builder. So this is a lot of feature here. Just for the price of front end, you're going to get all this fantastic store builder. You can have all this dashboard. You can place the order, right? You can check the order. Then you can have the manage a product, add a new product, right? You can import the product from the existing list, right? Okay, so you can import the product also using this tool, right? Okay, then there's a lot of other affiliate product. You can add your affiliate product you want to promote a individual or YoWeb plus affiliate. So this can be done easily here, right? Okay, right. So add your own physical affiliate product customer. Okay, you can have a build customer list, right? Transaction vendor, right? Okay, vendor list, the vendor of your product, and the vendor notifications, the vendor subscription plan. Manage the category of the product, close selling, right? You can have the bulk product upload, product discussion, set the coupon, right? Things like that. A blog, you can actually maintain also because definitely you can create the content for your store also. Then you can have a blog session, so you can maintain everything here also, right? Okay, so fantastic things, right? Messages, ticket, dispute, gender setting, right? This is called the setting for your own this store homepage setting. It means this can set the different thing about the banners, right? Everything can be customized for your store, right? Okay, menu page setting, autoresponder. You can have configure autoresponder, email setting. You can build in email also, payment setting, right? Social setting, right? Language setting, SEO tool also have been come together also. Manage the staff. So everything is being built is a complete suite of store builder. You can actually even you can build a store for to maintain to sell physical or digital product. You can even also create your affiliate product here, right? Okay, right, things like that. And this is pretty cool thing, right? A lot of feature, right? Okay, it's a full-fledged of the site builder and store builder all in one, right? Just for the price of $17, that's something you shouldn't miss out. And some more, this is from a very famous vendor. Smarty is one of the very top internet marketer who have released 50 or over 100 product, right? So that's it for me about ShopZBuilder. So that first section, right? My bonuses bundle is limited for the first 300 lucky fast stacker, right? I think the value of the bonus that I'm offering here is fast more than the value ShopZBuilder is going to offer to you, right? In the same, so everything you're going to get for $17 for the front end. So if you buy the front end and you're definitely going to get my two very special product about e-commerce, right? That will definitely to help to take your e-com business to the next level. That's it for me, and jump on it and take all the bonuses with you, right? Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.